If you make one thing in your kitchen, let this be it. This simple Japanese curry takes 30 minutes to make. We just need to sit for 20 minutes.
Onion.
We need to fine dice the onion.
Carrot.
Cube up your carrots. Chop your potatoes into thick chunks.
Ginger. Garlic.
Say something. I'm not supposed to know things like that yet. Let's add oil to our pan. Let's add our oil. Let's add our onions. Let's let the onion soft up a bit. Let's add in our ginger and garlic. Let's add in our flour. Let's add in our water. We're gonna add in our carrots and our potatoes. Now we're gonna leave it till it's completely soft. Shut the lid. We are using this Japanese curry. I did use a fair bit of it already. I'm gonna use all of this. Now let's add our curry cubes. Apple, some grated apple. This is gonna take a while. Let's add some cream to top it off. For the finishing touches, I'm gonna add 2 green chilies. I'm gonna fine chop them. I just like the kick. Let's add our green chilies. Here we have our Japanese curry. Let's try this out. It's supposed to be a bit thicker, but it's definitely really nice. It has a bit of sweetness to it, a bit salty. It doesn't have that spicy kick to it, although I added a lot of green chilies. But still very nice. It's very comforting, feels a bit cozy. Do try it out.